Your face is betraying you. Every twitch of a muscle, every microscopic delay in your speech, and every involuntary spike in your pulse is being logged by an observer that never sleeps, never blinks, and never feels pity. For decades, the lie detector was the ultimate gatekeeper of truth. It was the polygraph, a machine that measured your heart rate, your breathing, and your sweat. It was supposed to be a window into the human soul, a way to strip away the mask of deception. But it had a flaw. Humans were good at hiding their physical reactions. They could learn to breathe steadily. They could train themselves to stay calm. But now the game has changed. The hunters have upgraded their tools. The era of physiological monitoring is dying. The era of behavioral pattern recognition has begun. We are entering the age of AI-driven truth detection. Where the old polygraph looked at your body's involuntary reactions to stress, modern AI looks at the cognitive load of lying. Lying is hard work. It requires your brain to juggle two narratives simultaneously, the truths and the fiction you are trying to sell. This mental effort leaves footprints. It shows up in micro-expressions, flashes of emotion that last only milliseconds. Too fast for a human eye to catch, but perfectly visible to an algorithm. These are the tells that used to be invisible. Now they are data points. Imagine being interrogated not by a weary detective, but by an algorithm trained on millions of confirmed cases of deception. In this world, there is no faking it. The AI doesn't care if you look confident. It measures the millisecond of hesitation before you answer a question. It analyzes your vocal nuances, a slight tremors in your pitch that indicate stress, or the way your rhythm breaks when you reach a hot topic. It combines all of this into a single terrifying metric, probability. When a machine says you are lying, it doesn't just give an opinion, it provides a mathematical certainty. But this technological revolution comes with a chilling shadow. We are entering the black box of justice. As these AI models become more sophisticated, they also become harder for humans to understand. If an algorithm flags you as a liar, can a lawyer argue against it? How do you cross-examine a machine? How do you challenge the logic of a neural network that even its creators can't fully map? Then there is the question of bias. Can an AI truly understand truth across different cultures? Or will it mistake cultural nuances for signs of deception? What about neurodivergent individuals whose natural behaviors might be flagged as anomalies by a rigid algorithm? We are moving toward a world where your very identity, your way of speaking, moving, and reacting is constantly being audited against the standard of normalcy. The scale of this change is massive. In the near future, these systems won't just be for high-level spies or violent criminals. They will be used in border crossings to flag suspicious travelers. They will be integrated into HR software to screen job applicants. They will be the invisible gatekeepers of our daily lives in banking, in hiring, and in security. We are approaching a crossroads in human history. The line between human intuition and algorithmic certainty is blurring. For centuries, we believed that truth was something humans could sense in each other, a vibe, a tingle, a gut feeling. But as the machines get smarter, they are taking that feeling away from us and replacing it with data. The question is no longer whether the technology works. The question is what happens to our society when we stop trusting human judgment altogether. If a machine can prove you are lying, do you still have the right to be misunderstood? The revolution isn't just coming. It's already here. And once it arrives, there is no turning back. The truth is being recalculated. Are you ready to be judged by something that doesn't have a heart?